Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ways to reset your series on Hulu. So in order to reset your series on Hulu, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with the procedure, you need to go ahead and log in into your Hulu app, and when you're logged into your Hulu account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So you can follow the reset steps to reset TV episode on Hulu. So for that case, you have to log in, and when you're logged into your account, you can go ahead and click on the hubs icon from the top right hand side corner. As you do that, next page you'll be able to see this information as view all, or you'll be able to see your watch history. And when you select the watch history, then you can remove the specific show from it that you wish to remove it or that you wish to set it aside. And once you've done that, the entire series will be reset. And just make sure to remember that where you were. So that's how you can reset your series on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.